Hey traders, Raghee here. In this update, we're going to revisit the US dollar. Now, if you recall, we took a look at the US dollar as it was sinking into the wave on the 8th of November. So perhaps you caught that video. You can. 8th of November, sinking into the wave. Now, remember, this is the week after the FOMC. And we know the US dollar is in place. You might ask, Rog, why even look at the US dollar? Central bank shift in monetary policy puts US dollar right in our line of sight. Now, the idea is to look for weakness that we can buy into, which might feel unusual to take advantage of this kind of weakness unless you know the narrative of the overall trend, which has been, let's face it, overall up. Look at all the green grab candles. Now, buying a dip, and we're going to talk about the low that we put in on the 8th when we talked about this. Now, granted, we made lower lows, but that could be a second opportunity. That could also be just a little bit of very reasonable heat that you would take in building this position, scaling in. Now today, we're punching up to higher highs. So if you buy on a dip, and this dip would start right around 94, so you're taking advantage of the 94 handle. Moving higher now, you can see the margin for the US dollar is approximately $2,100. That's what you need in initial margin for the trade. And it's already returning nearly $1,200 per contract. So that's what has happened since that dip and now moving higher. And this is a classic example of following the trend using the US dollar index futures contract. Very affordable contract, as expensive as some futures contracts can be. This one's actually pretty darn affordable at about $2,100, yielding almost $1,200. And let's face it, does anyone doubt we're going to possibly see higher highs now that we're north of 95? Well, that's absolutely the idea. So I'll be looking at the way the market might respond at 96. And by the time we get up there, just to give you an idea, I would say at this point, looking at almost $2,000. And that's basically 100% return on your margin investment. So that's the kind of trades we love to look for. Good old-fashioned trend following entries. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.